Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to create a Valorant account. Go to the Valorant sign up page which I have written in the description. Now tap on play free. Click on make one, create the account, or if you have any existing account of the Riot then you can log into that account as well. Now to create an account you need to enter a valid email address and your date of birth. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After completing all sign-up steps, click on the download option to install the game. After that, you can log into your account by using your username and password. So this is how you can create Valorant account. Thank you for watching. Have any query, comment down below.